Panaji MLA Babush Monserrat admitted in GMC for BP-related problems. Later, CCP Mayor Uday Madkekar, who visited GMC, informed media about the health condition of MLA Babush Monserrat. CCP Mayor Uday Madkekar appealed to the people that his health condition is stable and people need not have to worry. By today evening or tomorrow, he will be discharged from the hospital, added CCP Mayor Uday Madkekar. Santa Cruz MLA Tony Fernandez also visited GMC and said that Babush has minor ailment and is now stable. The Health Minister Vishwajit Rane also visited GMC to know about Panaji MLA Babush Monserrat's health status. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.